show her from bow to stern. Oh, that's way higher. I like it. Oh yeah. I think she looks good. I think, you know, get a little bit of water and the trolling motor, you know what I mean? Like, obviously, she would sit there. It's beautiful, man. And it's awesome. Woo, it's a big old boat, huh? It's a beast. Looks good. Jeez. Be careful, Logan. Mark's going to take off without us, man. All right, y'all, we've been idling in mid-range, coming up into mid-range a little bit. We're gonna bring this boat up on top or give it a little more throttle, just see how she wants to plane out. Mark's gonna video, I'm gonna give it a little bit of throttle. We're gonna see what she does. Pretty exciting for the very, very, very first time. Let me get out here in the middle. All right there, Marky. Mark, you can video those motors if you want. You can kind of just pan around, trim these things under a bit. All right, Mark, hang on. You might want to just lean back. I'm ready. Oh my God. Holy crap. This is gonna haul butt. Oh, Lord. That's only 3,000 RPM. Dude, that's only 3,000. Oh my God. I wish y'all was on here. It's a lot faster than it looks. Look at this, man. We're getting 3 MPG right now, man. Look. 3 MPG. 3,200, 26 miles per hour. Wow. Better hold on to my hat. Dude, we just Cadillac it. Dude, this motor's just... Did you know he comes up on top? Fast. I mean, it's just floating. Yeah. That's really nice, y'all. That's good stuff. I'm pretty happy. A 3 MPG for a 29-foot boat. Pretty decent. It is dry, too, y'all. That's unreal. Of course, you'll gain a little bit of weight, I'm sure, but trim it out a little bit and see what it does. Probably about as high. 33. Picked up the speed. Still 3 MPG. It rides better. Rides better. Responsible. Wow, this is crazy. Fast. This ain't no little boat. That is very We're both nice. Like 2 little kids. Look at us smiling. I like it. Like it. Can't be Yamahas. Look, there's the Everland over there. Nice diesel. Oh, they're taking pictures. About that, Marcus? I like it. That's good stuff, man. All right, guys, we're gonna put this thing in a hard banking turn. Check this out. Hang on, Marky. Hang on to something. Hang on. Dude, look at that. I mean, that is tight. Little chop. Here we go. We'll see how she does on chop. Hang on, Mark. I got it. Woo! Dude, look at it. You didn't trip. You didn't do anything weird, didn't you, Mark? Can't ask for better than that, y'all.
Pretty good.
That's pretty good, pretty good.
Them two little 150s just singing along.
Tell you what, I'm gonna show everybody a whole shot.
Yeah, I
Tell you
think.
what, come on back here, Mark. She settles in so nice. Come on back here around the console, man. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let you hang on. I'm gonna let you show.
I'm gonna sit right here.
No, I need you to show the. I
Oh.
need you to show the.
Oh, the speed.
RPMs and then back over the stern again. Can you
All right.
brace yourself? Can you hang on?
I'm ready.
Good. All right, y'all. We're gonna do a whole shot.
This is just from 6. This is from idle to.
Here we go.
Right there.
That's 30 right there.
36.
That did not take long. God. Let's do that again.
I don't think you punched it real hard.
I didn't punch it hard. That was not a full. That was not a
This
full.
thing's got 5 batteries in it. 5 31s and 45 gallons of fuel. And some other junk.
Say what? She is 40.
2.8 miles per gallon, 2.9. Man, that's her sweet spot. About 30, look at 3.1 and 28 miles an hour. I think that's your sweet spot right there. 28, look, 3.1 miles per gallon.
Step over the stern again. We're gonna give her one more whole shot.
My video might not be the greatest, but
Let her settle in. At least you got a good firm grip.
yeah, I got something to put. Got a tow hole.
Here we go, y'all. From idle. Here
There
we
we
go.
go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 30. I think it was less than, but I think I was counting too fast. 37 right now. Man, fast. Woo! Here we go. Turn. Hang on, bro. I'll do a crank her now. She's coming around pretty. Yeah.
Man.
It ain't blowing out nut at all. I don't care what those
Y'all
back on.
missed it. Mark's hat blew off. We practiced a fire drill. We looped back around and got it.
And I turned the camera off.
That's okay. That's okay.
That's a blooper, y'all.
Mark's still learning cameraman, man. Leave it rolling. Anything interesting. It's all good. Y'all, I think that's going to be about it. Pretty happy. Running out of daylight. Got a trip tomorrow, so got to get the boat all cleaned up. I can feel like I can breathe a sigh of relief. I'm super happy with everything. There's more to come. We still obviously got a few more days of work to finish things up, but y'all, it's Captain Joe here with Island Marine Charters. My brother Marky Mark there as cameraman today. Whoop whoop. And as always, we will catch you guys next time out.